My age, I like to eat something healthy so I don't become a fat bastard. No offense.
Oh, the Jeff Richard Show.
Object. You might put light on an object and it makes the object pop, right? You might put a diagonal line on a page.
That's true. I had a real problem, and I had a don't pour Drano in either. Get a garden weasel, an actual animal. It's like a larva. Take the picture.
Garden weasel. Oh my god.
Love fragrance.
Tell me about that.
Hey, nut butter. I like a little nut in my butter.
I amp up.
Yeah.
Cost. I'm ready.
That's one style. Then you have like
Brad Garrett. You're on a show called Everybody Loves Raymond. Did you?
Quarantining.
Yes.
You've been quarantining? How's it going so far?
I mean, there's nothing to do, but
I've forgotten it already. You ready up?
We've been on what I call the Papillon diet.
Sure, with Dustin Hoffman.
Right. So we're
No,
right, so you have like a slide.
Boy, killing it for you, boy.
Take
Killing
the
it.
instrument as a percussion.